Welcome back to Auto Show Cars Exciting Review. Today, we have something truly special, the 2024 BMW M440i xDrive Cabrio. This convertible blends power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology into one stunning package. Let's dive into what makes this car stand out. Starting with the design, the M440i Cabrio carries BMW's signature aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and an aerodynamic body that screams performance. With its soft-top convertible roof, this car isn't just about speed, it's about style and freedom on the road. Lowering the top takes just 18 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 50 km/h, perfect for those spontaneous open-air drives. Under the hood, the M440i xDrive Cabrio boasts a 3.0-liter BMW twin-power turbo inline-6 engine, delivering 374 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Steptronic sport transmission and BMW's intelligent all-wheel drive system, the xDrive ensures exceptional handling and performance. The acceleration, a stunning 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.9 seconds, making every drive an adrenaline-filled experience. Step inside, and you're greeted with a high-end interior featuring premium Vernasca leather seats, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused cockpit. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and BMW's latest iDrive 8 infotainment system provide seamless control with voice commands, touch, and gesture functionality. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, keeping you connected at all times. Driving this car is an experience like no other. The adaptive M suspension, precise steering, and intelligent xDrive system ensure a dynamic and smooth ride. Whether cruising along scenic coastal roads or pushing the limits on a highway, the M440i Cabrio delivers both comfort and excitement. The optional M Sport brakes provide superior stopping power, giving you confidence in every turn. Safety is also a priority in this machine. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and a 360-degree camera ensure you stay in control and protected at all times. With a balance of performance, luxury, and open-air excitement, the 2024 BMW M440i xDrive Cabrio is a car that turns heads and delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Whether you're looking for speed, comfort, or cutting-edge tech, this convertible checks all the boxes. That's it for today's review. Let us know what you think about the BMW M440i xDrive Cabrio in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next video.